On this week's edition of Panasonic King Arthur knockoffs. So, you're thinking to yourself, this kind of looks like a Panasonic King Arthur. It sort of does. But no, it is actually a Hunter Biltmore. It is Hunter's take on the Panasonic King Arthur. It's basically got the same style vents, but with your typical Hunter square end blades. This is a pretty obscure model. These were common in the late 80s or mid to late 80s, and I think lasted to like the early 1990s. They did start out as a 4-blade fan and then eventually went to a 5-blade model. But this is a pretty unique one, as you really don't see a lot of these. Anyways, it's in the antique brass finish. It's paired with a set of oak and walnut blades. I actually have the walnut side showing. And it uses a Hunter spinner motor. I believe the dimensions is like 172 by 14 or 16 or something like that. But anyways, let's kind of go ahead and take a look at the fan. So it's got these walnut blades that I've got showing, and then on top they reverse the oak, and then kind of see the ornate faceplate, and then the Hunter logo is engraved on the housing. This one here actually dates to the first quarter of 1989, so it's a last year of the 80s model of this run. And this forearm fitter I added on myself. It was on my Fasco Charleston when I had it up. But anyways, let's go ahead and start off with the light. Light works really well. And now we're gonna turn the fan on low, and I'll explain more. So the Biltmore was a Walmart exclusive, and a lot of people don't know that. But yes, Walmart had some take on exclusive Hunters way back when. I know now they still do, but they only sell Hunters like online, if they even sell them now. But Walmart did have Hunter fans. They had a few exclusive models to Walmart. This was one of them. The Embassy was another, which was their GE vent option, which came in 52 and 42 inch sizes. And then I know the Callus was another Walmart exclusive, the Callus 2, the Somerset, and I can't think of another one that was exclusive to Walmart, but they did have a couple store exclusive models. But this one's pretty obscure, as like I said, you don't really see a lot of these. Got a nice slow speed to it as well. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and crank this fan to medium and see what this fan does, and I'll explain where I got this. So this fan actually came from the Durham Restore. I got this on a whim, as I wasn't even looking for fans. I got this alongside a Oneida Oxford, and I was mainly looking for light kits, but I went to the Durham Restore and I saw this hanging on the fan rack, and I was like, oh shit, is that what I think it is? And lo and behold, here we are. And honestly, it's not a bad fan. I honestly really like this fan. It's unique, it's pretty uncommon, and I have a soft spot for these obscure late 80s Hunters. So this is the second obscure one that I have. The other one being the other ornate Hunter that I got from Fanimation. So, but this is pretty cool. Now, let's go ahead and crank this fan to high and see what this fan really does. It may wobble a little bit. It may not, but honestly, she's a pretty powerful fan. And it's got a good high speed on it, honestly. Like, it's cranking out some air. Is it 188 powerful? No, but it, for a 172 fan, this thing actually cranks. So I'm pretty, like I said, I'm pretty happy about it. And the only reason why I think this thing is honestly wobbling is because the fact that the grommets they use for the blades suck. I honestly despise Hunter's grommets, but their performance quality on these kind of fans are really good. So, God, I love this thing. It honestly looks perfect in this room too. But as for the Gulf Coast that I had here, I plan on installing that probably at my mom's in one of the bedrooms there. So I'll have a fan down there when I decide to stay with her, for any kind of visits or anything like that. Just kind of give you a close-up shot of this. This thing is so gorgeous. And the bearings are really good in this too. So like I said, I'm pretty happy about it. And that's all I've got for you guys. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Y'all have a great day and take care.